isang development dito sa mga cities or municipalities na nagtatatag ng common bus terminals or centralized bus terminals sa kanya-kanyang lugar. Di ba, parang concept natin, lahat ng bus dito magbababa, magkakarga ng pasahero para iwas traffic and so on and so forth. Pero merong shocking decision ng Supreme Court last week, no? Yung sa City of Coronadal, no? Passed an ordinance number 9 series of 2018 creating a common terminal to provide efficient transport service, reduce traffic congestion and pollution in the city business center, and generate revenue of public service. Sinabi ng ating Korte Suprema dito, yung Yellow Bus Company filed an injunction to stop the implementation of the ordinance kasi sabi nila, meron na kaming sariling ordinance. No, halimbawa dito sa Baguio, ang Victorliner meron ng sariling terminal, pero dadalhin mo lahat ng terminal sa Marcos Highway, yun yung sitwasyon dito sa Coronadal. And sabi nila, kung ililipat mo, we will have damages incurred. We will be prejudiced because we have already paid 1 million pesos in terminal fees. No? At yung kanilang bus, yung mga dispatch ng buses na every 20 to 25 minutes madidisrupt. The Supreme Court recognized yung ownership rights of the bus company to a private terminal, including the right to use and manage the property as provided for by the Constitution. In other words, ang summary nito, you cannot compel a bus company to use a common bus or a centralized bus terminal imposed by the city through an ordinance.